Now I'm going to explain about the scopes in JavaScript. So in JavaScript we are having a three types of the scopes. So whatever you are able to see the something blue, this is called as like a global scope. And you are having like one more thing called as, for example, here you are having a function keyword, and after the function keyword, functions fs means function scope I'm having. This is one of the like function name, and here if you observe here, this is like another color. So means we are having a three types of the scopes. One is the function scope. Function scope means you are having a function keyword here. After that you are having a like fs scopes is the function name, and like below this function keyword you are having a curly braces. This is a starting curly braces, this is a ending curly braces. In between this, whatever you have written, this is called as a function body, means it is one of the function scope. Function scope. From whatever you have written inside this curly braces is nothing but like it is one kind of the like scope, and that will be available inside this function only. But this is one of the keyword, function keyword. Before this function keyword you have written the something here where current balance is equal to 20,000 you have written here. Observe here, inside this function also I have written one more thing called as where account is equal to, here I have written a one variable. Means if you are writing something outside of this function which is called as global variable, if you are written inside this function is called as local variable. Means we are having the two types of the variables, one is the local variable and one is the global variable. Global variable means you have to write any variable outside of a function. If you are writing something inside a function, that is called as local variable. So using the var keyword you can able to create either global variable or local variable you can able to create. Means var is nothing but one of the keyword. Using the var keyword you can create two types of the variables. One is the local variable and one is the global variable. So if the scope of the global variable is throughout the program, throughout the program means you can able to access global variable anywhere in the program. There is no any restrictions. But you have written a like a variable inside this function. If you are written anything inside this variable means, inside this function means you can't able to access this local variable outside of this function, because the scope of the local variable is within a function only. Observe, this blue is nothing but like if you are able to see something blue color, this is one of the global scope, and you are written something here function keyword and function name. This is nothing but from here curly braces starting, here the curly braces ending. In between this whatever you have written, this is a function scope. Again inside this function scope, again you are having a one more thing called as for loop. You are having inside this for loop you are having a let I is equal to 0, I less than or is equal to 5, then I plus plus. I'll explain about this for loop later, not a problem. But observe here, inside this function you are having a how you have created a variable outside of this function and inside this function. In the same way, using the let keyword I have created a I variable here. Let I is equal to 0. For is nothing but one of the block, and you are having a curly braces here start and curly braces end here. Means using the let keyword you can able to create a block scope variables. Means we are having a two types of the variables, three types of the scopes we are having. One is the global scope and one is the function scope and one is the block scope. Global scope means throughout the program, anywhere in the program you can able to access it. But function scope means if you are declaring or defining any variable inside a function, then you can able to access that variables inside a function body only, but you can't able to access that data outside of your function. That's why we are calling it as a function scope. And block means inside this function again you are having a one if block or else block or either switch statement or any for loop or while loop or do while loop, anything that we have to consider as a particular block. Means in JavaScript we are having a three types of the scopes. One is the global scope and one is the function scope, one is the block scope. Global scope means anywhere in the program you can able to access any variables. But function scope means inside a function you are declaring a variable, inside that function only you can able to access that variable, but outside of this function you can't able to access. And block scope means if you are written anything either for loop or while loop or do while loop, so which is called as a like one of the particular block, inside that particular block if you are creating or if you are declaring any variable that can be accessible inside that particular block only. For example, if you observe here where I am using the var keyword, so using the var keyword current balance is the like one of the variable name, and I have created this variable outside of this function, so I am calling this one as a like one of the global variable. Global variable means global scope. The scope of the global variable is global scope. What is the global scope means you can able to access this global variable outside of this function as well as the inside of this function, and inside this block also you can able to access. Means the scope of the global variable is global. Global means throughout the program you can able to access that global variable. Just for example, I am trying to create a one function, and with the help of practical I am going to explain. So I am having a one variable, for example, where current balance is equal to, I am having a like 2 lakhs. I am having a like 20 lakhs, and 20 lakhs is a one of the global variable. Global variable. Global variable means the scope of the global variable is throughout the program. Scope of the global variable is throughout the program. Throughout the program means you can access global variable anywhere in the program. You can access global variable anywhere in the program. You can able to access the global variable anywhere in the program. There isn't any restrictions. For example, just observe here, I am having a one function. Function name is I am having a like scopes. Observe here, where current balance is equal to 20 lakhs is I have given. This current balance is one of the like global variable. Why we are calling the global variable means outside of this function only I have declared and defined this variable. Even though I have declared or defined outside of this function, but I can able to access inside this function also. So I am trying to call this function. This is a function calling. Function calling or function invocation. Function calling or function invocation. And inside this one I am having one more thing called as, for example, document dot write ln I am having, and inside a document dot write ln I'm having a one thing called as here this is a I'm writing inside function. Observe here I'm trying to call this like a scope function, so I'm trying to call like whatever you have written inside like a document dot write ln of inside a function that you can able to see over the screen. Observe here, so I'm having a one function keyword and function name is here the scopes, and I'm trying to call that function with the help of function calling, and whatever you have written inside a like a document dot write ln of inside a function, then you can able to see the output here inside a function. So now the question is, this is a current balance is a, like one of the variable you have declared and defined this variable outside of a function. But even though you have declared or defined this variable outside of a function, I can able to access inside this function only. Document dot write ln of this is a current balance. Observe here. So this is a inside function. Inside a function, I am trying to call this global variable inside this function only. Means I am trying to accessing global variables. I am trying to access global variable inside a function. Inside a function I am trying to access. Global variable can access anywhere in the program. There is no any restrictions. If you want, you can observe here. Very simple. Functions.html is the like one of the program name. I am going to click the right click. You will get the complete path. Then you can go on. So here, Control V. Then you will get the data here. So inside this function. So if you observe here, this is scopes is nothing but one of the function. Inside this function, I have written one current balance. This current balance is nothing but one of the global variable. Even though I have written this current balance outside of a function, but I can able to access inside a function also. Means the scope of the global variable is throughout the program. You can able to access anywhere in the program. For example, this is like outside of a function also I can able to access. For example, document dot write ln I am having, but this is like what I am doing is outside a function. Outside a function. So after printing this variable, I would like to give the one break here. That's why I am giving the inside a double quotations. After this plus, whatever you have written here inside the double quotations, it will break the line. Then next it will print the outside a function you can able to see. Means inside a function also like you are printing the like a global variable. Then outside a function I am trying to call a function. I am trying to print the something. But here I am going to make the like one document dot write ln. Here inside the double quotations I am giving the HR. HR means if you are writing anything inside a double quotations like as HR, then it will draw a one horizontal line. Why I am drawing the like a horizontal line means, observe here. Means this is a inside function you are getting the like a variable value. Outside of this function also I am going to get the value here. For example, inside this one you are giving a BR. BR means break the line. After that, whatever you have written here the current values, you are accessing that one. Means you can able to access global variable outside of a function as well as inside of a function also. So this is one of the like function. Inside this function I am trying to access global variable, and outside of this function also I am trying to access this global variable, it will work. Observe here, this is a inside a function, this is a outside a function, means you can access global variable anywhere in the program. You can able to access global variable anywhere in the program. You can access inside a function as well as the outside of the function also you can able to access. There is no any restrictions. There is no any restrictions.